In this tutorial we will tell you which settings or data remove when we do reset all settings, which settings will not remove, how we to do reset all settings, how it helpful for us, and we should take backup or not. Is reset all settings is harmful or not? Which settings reset or removed to their defaults? All of the settings on your iPhone will be changed to factory default. Network settings. For more details which settings remove when do reset network settings on your iPhone, you can watch another video, link in description or I button. The keyboard dictionary. Screen time passcode. Stored hotspot connections will be erased. Background app refresh. Resets Wi-Fi credentials in all iCloud keychain devices that use the Apple ID if iCloud keychain is turned on. Location settings. Resets accessibility settings. Privacy settings. Removes your Touch ID passcode. If restrictions are turned on, it resets all of your restrictions. Removes Face ID. Also it removes your encrypted backup password. And Apple Pay cards are removed or reset to their defaults. Also removes settings on iPhone and iPad. Brightness. Wallpaper. Sounds. All your Bluetooth devices like AirPods etc. Notifications will be removed. The home screen layout screen. Settings such as dark mode, wallpaper, home screen arrangement are removed. Which settings will not remove? Documents. It doesn't remove content from your iCloud. It doesn't reset your iTunes App Store settings. You will not lose your purchases. Apps and apps data. Your settings from built-in apps like Safari and Mail will be the same. Any type of files. Your social media settings will remain the same. And your social accounts on your device will stay. Reset all settings won't delete any of your content. If you created app folders, they will not be deleted. Resetting all settings won't remove jailbreak. Your iCloud settings will be the same. For example, Find My will not be removed. Activation lock will not be removed. Apple ID will not remove. You will not be signed out of iCloud and the App Store. Your personal data like email accounts, phones, etc. won't be affected. How we to do reset all settings? To do this, go to Device Settings. Select General from iPhone Settings. Select Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Then tap on Reset. This will take you to a list of different reset options. Now tap Reset All Settings. After that, enter your iPhone passcode. Then enter Screen Time passcode. After that, a tab will pop up on your screen asking you for confirmation. Tap Reset All Settings again. The iOS will start resetting all your iPhone settings and in a few moments you will be done with it. How it helpful for us or when we do. Error in purchasing items from Apple Store. Or have you experienced your iPhone being stuck on Apple logo? Reduce iPhone other storage. Sometimes iPhone freezing. iPhone not working properly or some unexpected errors. iPhone overheating problem. Sometimes iPhone users complain about these and few other issues for which the only solution left is to perform the reset all setting. We should take backup or not? It's always recommended to create a backup of your iPhone before performing any major task. But if you want to do problem solving, then I recommend that you will not create a backup because no setting will remove and you unable to fix the issue. Reset all settings is harmful or not? Basically, reset all settings is not harmful for iOS device. It's completely safe. But your preferred settings will be changed to default settings. You must set up again these settings.